Okay, got a basic one-page lawn care website right here. No problem with that. If it's just if you're going to have a simple website, make it simple. Don't have all this text; it's too much. Cut down the text right here. 2 lines per service would be plenty. I do kind of like that he only has a phone number and an email address to contact him with. That makes things very simple, but I would still suggest any service business have like a calendar link where people can set up estimates without having to go back and forth. Can you meet me on Wednesday? How's 4 o'clock? That's just a big waste of time for a small business owner. And he has links here to different cities, probably to help with SEO. But when you click on them, it doesn't do any good because it just inserts, say, Indian land for Charlotte, and all the other text stays the same. So I doubt it's very much help with SEO. And you can see the contact info up here runs into the text. So that's a problem. You got some kind of maybe a weather app right here that's not working right. I would get rid of that. So no problem with a one-page website. I would just make it simpler, easier to read, bigger font.